In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make hover text help in Tableau. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, ensuring that you can create insightful hover texts that add an extra layer of context and information to your Tableau visualizations. To begin, we need the Tableau public app. Make sure it's open and ready. Once inside, navigate to the worksheet where you'd like to add hover text. This should be the specific worksheet containing the data visualization that will benefit from additional annotations or instructions. Next, we move to the Analysis menu. Within this menu, you'll find the option to create a calculated field. Click on it. A window will open prompting you to name this new field. It's helpful to choose a name that describes its function, such as instructions, so you can easily identify it later. In this calculated field window, you'll need to input your query or text. This is an exciting part because you're deciding what information your audience will see upon hovering over specific data points. Once you've typed your content, go ahead and click OK to save it. Now that you've created your calculated field, it's time to integrate it into your visualization. Drag this new field to the row section of your worksheet. Then adjust your chart type to shapes. This step is crucial because shapes provide a clear visual representation that can effectively highlight interactive elements within your visualization. If you'd like to bring a unique touch to your design, you can assign a custom shape to help it stand out even more. Custom shapes can be a great way to maintain consistency with your branding or to add a personal flair to your project. Continuing, click on your new instruction in the rows and unselect the option to show its header. This helps keep your visualization clean and prevents unnecessary clutter, focusing attention on the data itself. We're almost there. Add your instruction field to the text area. Clicking on this text box will allow you to further align your content as needed for coherence and readability. Proper alignment ensures that your hover text appears neat and is easily understandable when users interact with it. Now, let's make our way to the tooltip section. This is a vital moment because any detailed instructions you provide here will enhance the user's comprehension of your data. Craft your tooltips carefully, ensuring they're informative and succinct. Finally, with everything set up, you can now smoothly add this complete visualization with its informative hover text to your dashboard or additional sheets if needed. This integration will make your dashboard more dynamic and user-friendly, adding significant value to those exploring the data. That's it. By following these precise steps, you can enrich your Tableau visualizations with contextually rich hover text. Your viewers will appreciate the additional clarity and guidance these annotations provide.